Are you ready to explore the enchanting beauty of the Netherlands? Join us as we uncover the wonders of the Netherlands, from the charming canals of Amsterdam to the breathtaking landscapes of Kinderdijk. This incredible country is rich in history, culture, and stunning scenery that promises to leave you in awe. Whether you're dreaming of tulip fields or exploring vibrant cities, we've got the ultimate guide to the most amazing places in the Netherlands. 1. Amsterdam. Amsterdam, the capital city of the Netherlands, is renowned for its artistic heritage, elaborate canal system, and narrow houses with gabled facades. The city is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, celebrated for its historic architecture and vibrant cultural scene. Visitors can explore iconic museums such as the Rijksmuseum, which houses masterpieces by Dutch masters like Rembrandt and Vermeer, and the Van Gogh Museum, showcasing the life and works of Vincent van Gogh. The city's unique layout, with its picturesque canals, makes it ideal for leisurely walks or bike rides, allowing visitors to soak in the charming scenery while discovering quaint cafes and shops along the way. Beyond its artistic offerings, Amsterdam is also a hub of modern culture and lifestyle. The city's diverse neighborhoods, such as the Jordaan and De Piep, are filled with trendy boutiques, art galleries, and lively markets. The famous Anne Frank House serves as a poignant reminder of the city's history during World War II, attracting visitors from around the globe. 2. Keukenhof Gardens. The Keukenhof Gardens, often referred to as the Garden of Europe, is one of the largest flower gardens in the world, spanning over 79 acres. Located near Lies, this stunning park is renowned for its breathtaking displays of tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths, attracting millions of visitors each spring. The gardens are meticulously designed, featuring themed sections that showcase a variety of floral arrangements and colors, creating a picturesque landscape that is nothing short of enchanting. The vibrant blooms, along with the carefully curated landscapes and unique sculptures, make Keukenhof a paradise for nature. Lovers and photography enthusiasts alike. In addition to its floral displays, Keukenhof also hosts numerous events and exhibitions, allowing visitors to learn more about Dutch horticulture and the significance of flowers in the Netherlands. There are guided tours, workshops, and even flower shows that highlight the beauty and diversity of various plant species. 3. Zaanse Schans. Zaanse Schans is an open-air museum located just north of Amsterdam, showcasing the traditional Dutch way of life. This picturesque village features iconic wooden windmills, historic houses, and artisan workshops, providing a glimpse into the Netherlands' rich cultural heritage. Visitors can explore the working windmills that have been preserved over the years, some of which still produce products like flour and oil. The charming green buildings and beautiful canals create a postcard-worthy setting, perfect for leisurely strolls or bike rides along the scenic paths. Beyond its visual appeal, Zaanse Schans offers a variety of interactive experiences that highlight traditional Dutch craftsmanship. Visitors can watch artisans at work, from clogmakers to cheese producers, learning about the techniques and traditions that have been passed down through generations. 4. Giethoorn. Giethoorn, often referred to as the Venice of the North, is a charming village known for its serene canals, thatched roof houses, and lush green surroundings. This idyllic destination is famous for its unique mode of transportation, Giethoorn boats or punters, which are flat-bottom boats that glide silently through the waterways. Visitors can explore the village by boat or take a leisurely walk along the picturesque paths that line the canals, soaking in the tranquility and beauty of this enchanting location. The absence of roads in the village center adds to its charm, creating a peaceful atmosphere that feels worlds away from the hustle and bustle of modern life. In addition to its stunning waterways, Giethoorn is surrounded by beautiful nature reserves and parks, making it an ideal spot for outdoor activities such as cycling and hiking. The nearby Weeribben-Weeden National Park is home to diverse flora and fauna, offering visitors opportunities for birdwatching and nature walks. 5th Kinderdijk. Kinderdijk is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, famous for its 19 windmills, which date back to the 18th century. Located near Rotterdam, this remarkable area showcases the ingenuity of Dutch engineering and the country's long-standing battle against water. The windmills were built to manage water levels and protect the surrounding land from flooding, representing a key aspect of well-preserved windmills, many of which are still operational, and learn about their historical significance and the traditional methods of water management that have been employed in the region for centuries. The picturesque landscape of Kinderdijk is enhanced by the charming canals, lush fields, and beautiful dikes that surround the windmills, making it a photographer's paradise. The area is ideal for cycling and walking, with several trails that allow visitors to appreciate the stunning scenery up close. 6. Rotterdam. Rotterdam is a dynamic and modern city that stands in stark contrast to the historic architecture found in other Dutch cities. After being heavily bombed during World War II, Rotterdam underwent a remarkable transformation, leading to the development of innovative and contemporary buildings. The iconic skyline features architectural marvels such as the cube houses, the Erasmus Bridge, and the Markthal, a stunning market hall that combines food, shopping, and architecture in one vibrant space. Rotterdam is a city that embraces creativity and modernity, making it a fascinating destination for architecture enthusiasts and urban explorers. In addition to its impressive architecture, Rotterdam is also known for its vibrant cultural scene. The city is home to numerous museums, galleries, and theaters, including the Kunsthal, showcasing contemporary art, and the Boijmans van Beuningen Museum, which features an extensive collection of Dutch and European masterpieces. 7. The Hague. The Hague is often referred to as the political capital of the Netherlands, housing the Dutch government, the royal family, and numerous international organizations, including the International Court of Justice. This city boasts a unique blend of historical and modern elements, with stunning architecture and beautiful parks that create a charming atmosphere. Visitors can explore the Binnenhof, the historic seat of the Dutch Parliament, and the Noordeinde Palace, one of the official residences of the king. The Hague's rich history is reflected in its museums, such as the Mauritshuis, which houses works by Dutch masters like Vermeer and Rembrandt. 8. Utrecht is a vibrant city that combines a rich history with a lively contemporary atmosphere. As one of the oldest cities in the Netherlands, Utrecht boasts a stunning medieval old town featuring picturesque canals, historic buildings, and charming cobblestone streets. The iconic Dom Tower, which is the tallest church tower in the Netherlands, dominates the skyline and offers breathtaking views of the city. Visitors can explore the various museums, shops, and cafes lining the canals, making it a delightful place to wander and soak in the local culture. Utrecht's canals are unique, as they feature wharf cellars along the water, creating a lively atmosphere with restaurants and terraces that invite visitors to relax and enjoy the scenery. 9th. Delft. Delft is a picturesque city famous for its historic architecture, charming canals, and most notably its blue and white pottery known as Delftware. The city has a rich history dating back to the Middle Ages and is closely associated with the Dutch royal family, particularly William of Orange, who is buried in the Nieuwe Kerk at Newchurch, located in the city center. Visitors can wander through the quaint streets, admire the beautifully preserved buildings, and explore the vibrant marketplace that showcases local artisans and craftsmen. The canals, lined with blooming flowers and traditional Dutch houses, create a postcard-perfect setting that invites leisurely strolls and exploration. 10. Efteling Theme Park. Efteling Theme Park, located in Kaatsheuvel, is one of the most enchanting theme parks in Europe, drawing visitors of all ages with its fairy tale atmosphere and imaginative attractions. Opened in 1952, Efteling is built around a unique theme inspired by folklore, fairy tales, and mythology. Visitors can immerse themselves in magical worlds, from the stunning fairy tale forest to thrilling rides such as the iconic roller coaster Baron 1898. The park's attention to detail and immersive storytelling create an experience that feels like stepping into a storybook, making it a beloved destination for families and thrill seekers alike. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more travel content, and share your favorite spots in the comments below.